You already know that video marketing is something that you need to start doing and using inside of your business. The problem with it is that although you know you need to be doing it, you don't know what to do. You don't know where to start. You feel uncomfortable. You don't like the way that you look or the way that you sound, or you're worried that other people might not like the way that you look on camera. That's okay. I want to show you ways that you can look good, feel good, and get confident on camera. Step number one, you have to have a plan. It's not enough to just say, I want to do video. You have to know what the plan is. And part of knowing what the plan is knowing who your audience is. So many times I talk to business owners and they go, Nick, I know I need to do video, but I don't know where to begin. I don't know what kind of content to make. It begins, it starts, and it ends with knowing exactly who the audience is that you're talking to. When you know who the audience is, you will know what content to make. Here's a good example. If your audience doesn't know who you are, if they have no idea what you do, they've never seen you before, quite like this video maybe, then you need to do a really good job of answering the questions and giving as much value up front as you possibly can. That means that these videos are going to be shorter in length. They're going to be more direct. You are giving real value because, again, the audience doesn't know who you are. So if they don't know who you are, they really don't want to spend a whole lot of time watching you go through a bunch of nothing and nonsense to get to the point. In all of your videos, make sure you are giving your audience, your viewer, a vision for what it is that you do. Regardless if you want to help them lose weight, if you want to help them make more money, or if you want to achieve a status that they're wanting to get to, you have to paint the vision and the picture for what it's like to do business with you. If they do business with you, X, Y, and Z happens. You need to outline that vision inside of your video marketing. You need to give your viewer a clear, simple, easy to understand call to action. Don't confuse them by giving them 20 steps to do. Give them something very specific, very simple. It doesn't have to be get a quote. It doesn't have to be book a call. It could be something as simple as subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. It could be follow us on Facebook. It could be share this video. It could be anything. Regardless of what the objective is, make sure you are spelling it out very simple, very clearly, very effectively, so that no matter who's watching the video, they know what they need to do next. Here's a good example of a good call to action. In the rest of this blog, I'm going to show you with words and with videos other ways that you can get comfortable on camera. Please take a moment, read through it, and at the very bottom you're going to see an opportunity to work with us more if that's what you so choose to do. I can't wait to see what you guys do with your content.